Hey everybody, it's Brian here with Cars Equipment Sales, Mount Upton, New York. I wanted to do a short video today with our ZH12G and our Groundhog line. This is a base model machine, gas powered. We've had a lot of questions if these things will actually dig. They do dig. This is a machine that weighs just shy of 1 ton. It's 1,970 pounds. This field we've got here, we're digging in, I've owned for the last 10 years. This has never been tilled as long as I can remember, so we're digging in virgin. I picked a spot right here. We've been kind of picking spots. This is a spot we have not dug. This dirt has not been dug in years, so it's virgin soil. It is full of rock, and I'm just going to show you a quick video on how this machine will dig if you're looking for an inexpensive machine to get the job done. You can see how much we've got rocks, pretty good sized rocks. We're like 3.5 feet down. So, you know, is it the smoothest machine in the world? No. Is it a Kubota? No. Is it a diesel? No. But for $6,900, what do you buy that's going to dig a hole in rocky soil that ain't been touched in 15, 20 years? So, just wanted to show you that they are capable of doing some digging. For the guys that can't afford a big machine, this might be a good option for you. We have them in stock all the time. Again, Cars Equipment Sales, Mount Upton, New York. Look us up, www.carsequipmentsales.com, or give us a call at 607-441-4047. We appreciate the business. Have a good one.